What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be unboxing the GameSir X2 Type-C mobile gaming controller. Now, I do want to say thank you to these guys for sending us this. Obviously, I've been using a lot of controllers lately on the channel. This one looks pretty cool. Now, it sells for $60. We're going to get it out of the box, take a look at it. I do want to point out that this is only going to be for like Android and Samsung phones, so you can't use this for your iPhone. However, hopefully it's pretty cool. I mean, it kind of looks like a Nintendo Switch in a way. Also, if you guys could smash a like button as you're watching this, I would definitely appreciate it. And let's get it out of the box. All right, so what do we got in here? Looks like we got a little pamphlet, I'm assuming. Looks like some stickers. Pretty cool. All right, some GameSir stickers. This is also my first GameSir controller. I know they sell a lot of different controllers, but I've never, owned one before. But here it is. All right, looks pretty cool. All right, so, the size is kind of like a small to medium, but let's see how far it extends outwards. Now, I am going to use the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition to put in just a second here. You can see the back's got some nice grip. This controller does feel really nice to hold in your hand, I will say that. And you can see there's a little port to like plug your phone into. Now, you do need to download the GameSir app in order to start playing some of these games. I already did that on the S20 Fan Edition. Other than that, I don't know if you have to do anything else, so we're going to find out, if there are any additional steps to getting certain controls for different games. But this is what the app looks like. Just kind of loading it up real quick here. Should pull up some of the different games, and it does have like a list of the different games that you can play like COD Mobile, Fortnite, PUBG's in here. But I am actually going to play Into the Dead 2, which is an awesome first-person zombie shooter. But let's get this thing plugged in. Now, another nice thing about plugging your phone into this controller is that the little port for plugging it in moves up and down, so you don't have to like worry about damaging your phone, which is definitely that was definitely a smart move on their part, and it looks like we got a quick connection right there. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna load up Into the Dead 2, and we'll just see if the controller just starts working automatically. I'm kind of hoping that's the case, but we'll find out here in honestly right now. So let's load this game up. Just double checking the connection, but it looks like we're good. All right, let's do this. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing works. All right, it looks like it does. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm moving around. Looks like the back button shoots. Now, this is one of the games that it said it worked with when I had the GameSir app opened up. So it kind of has a list of different games. You can't expect this controller to work with everything, but just straight out the box, not really doing anything additional other than downloading the app. This game works. So that's definitely a good sign. I gotta tell you too, this controller feels really good, man. I mean, it definitely feels good. We're gonna just kill some zombies here. Oh, check this out. Get on the turret. All right, yeah. I'm just going to be honest. It feels very good using this controller. I mean, it just feels a lot more natural. And, if you haven't had a chance to really use a gaming controller for whatever phone you're using, it really makes a big difference, especially if you like to play or if you're like a hardcore mobile gamer like myself. It's just kind of a necessity at this point. Once you start using one, it becomes hard to, play games on your phone without it. All right, we're getting close to the end of this level. Also, if you have any questions about using this, feel free to message me below in the comments. But it should work with just about every like Android phone out there that's Type-C USB. So obviously it's got to be a newer phone. All right, nice. All right, I do actually just want to do a little bit more gameplay on this. I want to do some of the survival. I think I've got like the crossbow. So I'm going to kill a couple more zombies and I'm going to give you like my final thoughts on this. I do, however, plan on doing some more games with it on the channel, just seeing what other games it can work with. Obviously, like test it out with some COD mobile, PUBG, maybe some Fortnite. But yeah, I just wanted to play some Into the Dead 2 just because I love this game. All right, let's check out the crossbow. This is cool. So the crossbow's got these explosive, you know, kind of like cartridges on the bow. When you shoot it, it's pretty ridiculous. Check that out. It's nice. Oh man, so cool. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this controller, I love the design on it. Price point $60. I feel like that's very reasonable. And it had no issues working straight out of the box, which is always a good sign. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to check this controller out, I'll throw a link in both the description and comments. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.